Hey guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to be using this Freewell world's first versatile magnetic filter. They sent me these filters for me to utilize. If you tuned into this video for a video review of these filters, then I could tell you right now you're going to want to click away, because this is not a video review. All it is just a photographer utilizing it on a photo shoot, and that's all I'm going to be doing with these filters. So guys, this is not a sponsored video. They didn't sponsor me. All they did was just send these filters to me, and that's what I'm going to be using in this video. I'm actually using it right now on a 24-70 lens with the 9-stop ND filter on there. So let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Over this way a little bit, right there. And actually, I want some of that sunset picture here. Hang on. Not like that? Huh? So not like that? No. All right. Come. Right about, come a little bit more. I want to go out this way. All right, right there. And let me take this grid off. So that means that gain a lot more power, so let's reduce the power. Oh, hang on, let me just let these guys know what I'm doing. All right, so I have here the 4-stop ND, well, this is a 2 to 5 ND filter, neutral density filter, and I have it at 4 stops right now, and my power is at 1/8 power. And as far as my settings concerned is 1/160th, f-stop 2.8, ISO is at 100. So that's where I currently have these, that's where I currently have my settings, and that's what I'm using. I'm just testing, playing, and seeing what I'm getting. All right. So I got this, I could sit down. All right, so I want to get a little bit more dramatic shots. Oh. Oh, sun is peeking. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I'm assuming that's facing me. Just got a test shot first. And I can, okay, so that looks good. 1, 2, 3. the light is completely not seeing your face.
Okay.
So, yeah. It's a struggle to focus. Come on. Have something. All that, don't move. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1. Don't move. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. Focus. There we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, so I did change up some of the settings on this. So instead of using the 4 stops, I went to 5 stops. I changed my power on the light to 116 power. The settings on the camera was f32. Actually, that changed on its own. That shouldn't have changed. Hang on. Bloody hell. That changed by 1 stop. Let me take a couple more shots. That shouldn't have changed. Ugh. I must have jammed that by mistake. Come on, focus. Don't move, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Hang on, focus, 1, 2, 3. And go. 1, 2, 3. All right, now you don't move. You want to do that the same pose like before. But this time, this light is going to be directly above you. Actually, I'm going to bring it instead of your feet. Turn around here. Lean back, because I need to get it precise. Okay. Now that should be...
I can move back.
Nah, I don't want you to move back, because if you move back, then the light stand will be in the shot. So I want it to hit your face and your body, so that should do it. All right, lean back. Let me see how this looks.
Is it showing?
We'll figure that out in a minute. Hang on.
If it is, I could just sit on the ground.
Let me just see if this shot would work anyways. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. Come back a little bit more. Do that one more time. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. All right, relax. Let me just take a look and see what the hell I'm doing here. Yeah, do that. Chin up just a little bit. Chin up, and then turn your face this way. And then chin up just a little bit. There we go, right there. 1, 2, 3.